Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to shell script, where we will learn how we can create case statement in shell script. In previous session, we discussed about select statement, and in this session, we are going to discuss about case statement or case condition. So case condition, if I explain you in a simpler way, then you can see there are multiple condition, and as per the condition you want to perform some set of code, then in that case you can use case statement or case command. Okay. To explain this in a very easier way, I have already created one shell script where we are using case statement. So that we will walk through and we will see how the syntax is, how the structure is, what all things we need to take care while creating the case statement and command. So these all things we are going to discuss in this particular session. Okay. So I think now we are good to start the discussion, but just before that I'll tell you the exact requirement for which we are writing the script. So just assume a scenario, there is one date, okay, and you want to find out from that date you want to capture the day of the week, and as per the different day of the week, suppose if Monday is there, then you can see it's a first day of the week, Tuesday is there, then second day of the week, likewise till Saturday you want to print some message as per the day of the week. And in case if something is wrong, that means if it's not a weekday, from Monday to Sunday there is nothing matched, okay, so in that case we will print one customized message, unknown day. Okay, so this is the requirement, and this thing we will achieve with the help of shell script. So for that I'll just quickly write here work lnk, which will open the work with object link screen. Now on this work with object link screen, we have one variable, we have one directory. I'll show you that directory, Sharmit dir. Okay, so this directory is this directory we are going to use for creating the shell script. So I'm taking option 5 over here, and then we have shell script. This shell script already executable, and if you don't know how to make shell script executable, then please refer the one of our previous session, because there we have already discussed how to make shell script executable. Now taking option 2 here for this file, and here you can see we have multi-line comment. So in multi-line comment we just kept it to for the introduction purpose. So you can see it is presented by Sharmit and the session name is case in shell script. Okay, fine. Now what we will do, we will understand the script that we have written over here one by one. Okay, so let's focus on the first line. First line is saying day equal dollar date plus percentile a. Now what is percentile a? If you don't know this thing we have already discussed in a detail in one of our previous session. So for now I'll just tell you in a short way, like what this date will do. It will like this day variable will hold the value which is written by this dollar expression. Okay, and what we are getting from here, like it will fetch percentile a means current day. So date will return the current date, and from this current date it will return the day. So in short you can say this line will get the day of the current date. Clear? Once we got the date, then we are checking, then we have initiated the case statement. So we just write here case dollar day in Monday. So this line is evaluating the expression and matching it with the all possible values. So values are like this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and likewise. Okay, so here we are evaluating it day, whatever the value we have received, because date could be anything, right? For now, like it will return today's date, but if you run the same script tomorrow, then it will accordingly provide you the output. Okay, so we are checking if it's Monday, then we are printing the text start of the work week. Then we are terminating this condition by double semicolon, and then we are checking for the next condition. So again this case statement will be executed and it will be matched with this value. So if it is Tuesday, we are going to print the message second day of the work week, and then we are terminating the second condition. Post that we are checking for Wednesday. So if it is a Wednesday, we are printing the message middle of the work week. You can change this message as per your requirement, but I just write it in this way only. And then we are closing the Wednesday condition by double semicolon. Then we are checking if it is Thursday, we are printing the message almost there, and then double semicolon to close it. Then we are checking for Friday, if it's Friday, last day of the work week, and then we are closing it with semicolon. Okay. In case of Saturday and Sunday, we are using both condition is same thing, because if it is Saturday or Sunday, then we can say it's a weekend. Okay. Apart from this, so you can see this pipe symbol is for or. Okay, you can add other or also, like if you want to make it as Thursday or Friday and you want to give it some almost there, so we can use it. Okay, as I'm using it for Saturday and Sunday. Now if apart from this anything comes into the picture, then we will use this condition asterisk. So if none of the above condition is matched, then it will go and fall into this asterisk condition, which is a generic condition, and in this case default condition, you can say in this case it will print the message unknown day. Clear? So this, although for this example there is no possibility of getting this message, because if you are using current date, then for sure any current date we have a day, right, and it will not give any error. But let's say if you are accepting this value through any user input or any other third party tool, then in that case there might be some issues with it. Okay, so in that case it would be used, but for now it will not affect anything because it is directly fetching the value from the current date. Okay, but the overall reason to use this is to print the unknown day message if anything wrong comes into the variable. And then we are using ESAC for ending the statement, case statement. Clear? So now I'm pressing F3 for save and exit, and then what we will do, we will write here QSH. After writing QSH, you can write here the path of the script, which is /home /Sharmit /text Sharmit /Sharmit.sh and enter. So you can see it is printing the message start of the week, because today is Monday. So as per the Monday case statement, select the first value and print the message start of the work week. If we run this script on let's say Tuesday, so in that case it will show it's a second day of the week, and accordingly it will provide you the message. But today is Monday, that's why it is returning the message start of the work week. Clear? So this is how we can utilize shell script in order to implement the case statement using shell script. Okay, so I think now this part is clear to all of you. Now if I talk about the customization, you can change the value, like this day value you can accept from user. It is up to you as per your requirement. If you want to accept it from user, you can accept it. Okay, apart from this, you can change the name of these values. Let's say instead of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, you are just selecting as MONTUE, so accordingly you can customize. Messages, instead of printing this message, you can customize your own message. So nothing is fixed. Okay, you can customize it as per your requirement, but for now I think this is one of the best example, and it is giving you the clear picture of what we are doing here. Okay, so yeah, this is all about the system, and syntax and structure should be same. If we are using it in a small letters, then it should be only in a small letter, otherwise it will give you error. Okay, if we are using semicolon 2 times, then you should use semicolon 2 times, otherwise it will give you error. Okay, fine. Now same thing I'll tell you in a theoretical manner, because I have noted down something for you. So we will just quickly walk through it, and it will not take much time because we have already discussed multiple these things. Okay, so the first line, date %a, this line gets the current day of the week and assign it to the variable day. Then we have case. This starts in the start the case statement and test the value of the day, which is correct, right? Then we have Monday. If it is Monday, it will print the start of the work week. If it is Tuesday, it prints second day of the work week. If day is Wednesday, it prints middle of the work week. If the day is Thursday, it prints almost there. If day is Friday, it prints last day of the work week. If day is Saturday or Sunday, it prints it's a weekend. But in case when all the condition got failed, then in that case it will lie into this generic or default value. So in default case, the pattern, the strict pattern is a default catch-all that matches anything not previously matched, printing and the text is unknown day. Okay, let me show you that also. You can see unknown day. Okay, and after that we are using ESAC, which is nothing but to end the case statement. Clear? So yeah, that's all for this particular example. Now I'll very quickly show you how we can run the same script through CL program, because this time we are not accepting any parameter from user, so it will work accordingly. So firstly we need one variable DCL, take F4, variable name, type, storage, length, and then CSG var, provide variable name and script of your file, then strqsh and provide the variable name, and it will execute the script. Clear? So let me compile this for you and call this. So you can see this output only. Okay, this is the current output. So it is showing the message start of the work week, because it's a Monday. If it is not Monday, if it is Tuesday, accordingly it will print the message. So yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.